Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We should have a big grain hopper train. Let's check it out. I didn't get the last two stations on the passenger either. No, Chris is not wearing the OC&T shirt today. Actually, nobody's wearing the OC&T shirt today. Actually, I couldn't surprise. They used to work. I think Tom did Saturday when I got that passenger train. Oh, excuse me. No, this is Drake. Well, I just did the Perry Street, and I also did another train with the crossing as well. There's the end right there. No, this is all grain hopper trains in this one. Besides 2 light powers, and we did get 2 freights. Yeah, it's a connect. Yeah, this is a CN power. Yeah. Now this train here. Well, first of all, the feed mill line, that train originates at East Titusville, Pennsylvania, and terminates in Titusville, Pennsylvania. This train here, we just got the last video, and this one here, that train originates in Titusville, Pennsylvania. That's right here, or almost there, and terminates to Oil City or Rouseville, Pennsylvania. That's where it terminates. They do interest. Yeah. Industries of the mixed freights or grain hoppers or tankers. And also services for the Ren Farm station for the OC&T's passenger trains. That's where it terminates there as well. On this Monday, July 11th, 2022, from Jeffrey the Train Expert. Nice Ford F-150. Huh? On YouTube. I got an F-150 blocked. A F-150 was on a freight. Was in front of us on a freight. There too. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on. Talk to you later.